Why is Bitcoin dumping? We have lost 40,000. Bitcoin is in trouble. But guys, here's why I'm bullish on Bitcoin. Here's why Bitcoin has an opportunity to 25x. That's right. You heard me right. 25x opportunity in Bitcoin. So make sure you stay to the end of this video to find out how this opportunity is possible with Bitcoin. Even though it seems impossible right now, guys, stay tuned. Smash those likes, hit that subscribe. Follow me over on Twitter if you're not following me already. And guys, let's jump right into it. As you guys can see here, Bitcoin has broken down, right? We're just regaining 40,000 right now. A lot of selling pressure. And you must be wondering why. Well, it's real simple right now, right? Grayscale has been dumping Bitcoin like crazy. They're dumping another 15,000 Bitcoin onto the market, right? Sending it to Coinbase Prime. That's their custodian. And in total, right, if we look over here, they've dumped a really decent amount of Bitcoin. They've started the GBTC trust, right? They were at over 500,000 Bitcoins is how the number of Bitcoins they have. They're down now to about 552, and they've been consistently dumping Bitcoin every single day for the last couple of days. And you must be wondering why. Well, it's real simple. Their fee is 1.5%, which is the highest compared to every single other ETF issuer out there. So people that are holding this are jumping over and moving to a different ETF because, as you guys can see right here, where my mouse is, 94,000 right here over my head, right? That's how much Bitcoin has been accumulated without the GBTC in the ETF issuer included. 94,000 Bitcoin have been accumulated, meaning these ETFs are buying up Bitcoin. They're just getting out of Grayscale. There's another rumor as well that the reason why they're getting out of Grayscale is because of a potential FTX. FTX was holding GBTC Trust, and they were holding about $1 billion worth of Bitcoin on there. Which is roughly like 20,000, and they've been selling all of that because of their bankruptcy case. That is a rumor, not fully confirmed just yet, but regardless, Grayscale's dumping, and once Grayscale stops dumping, I believe Bitcoin's price is going to restabilize and push back up. Another thing that I didn't tell you here that I missed here is we filled in that CME gap at 39,000. CME gap is filled and we have bounced from there. Meanwhile, we hold this support. We could possibly regain 40,000 and maybe start steadying out. But this is all highly dependent on GBTC to stop selling Bitcoin, right? They got to stop dumping the Bitcoin. But here's how the 25x opportunity, right? The 25x opportunity is in BRC20 tokens. And you're like, wait, what is a BRC20 token? Why is this? What does this have to do with Bitcoin? Well, let me tell you real quick, right? There's a lot of opportunity here in the BRC20 tokens, but real simple. BRC20 is basically Bitcoin's version of Ethereum's ERC20 tokens. Everybody knows how those work, right? The Ethereum tokens, yada, yada. Well, BRC is basically taking an exact page out of that, right? Which made it possible for Bitcoin after the November 2021 Taproot upgrade, enabled ordinal inscriptions and behind the scene tech plumbing that makes BRC20 tokens work. BRC20 tokens use ordinals, but not all ordinals are BRC20 tokens. So there are millions of ordinals, but there are just 14,000 BRC20 tokens. So back to the BRC20 token list. How do we 25x from here, right? How do we get that opportunity? Well, this, right, Ordi is a huge one. It's at 1.3 billion, and Sats is at 1 billion market cap as well. Massive market cap. They've bounced great, right? Massive retracement happening here, but these are not the opportunity for the 25x. The opportunity for 25x comes from Ordiswap. Ordiswap is basically the Uniswap for Bitcoin. This is where everyone's going to be swapping and buying and trading the BRC20 tokens. So that's where I'm betting my money, right? Go check them out over here on Twitter. Obviously not sponsored by them. This is just something that I'm looking into, and I am going to be packing a bag of this, right? There's obviously an opportunity here for 400% APR on ordinals if you stake and you provide liquidity on PancakeSwap. So go check that out if you haven't already. I will be staking some just to get some exposure to this. So back over here, Uniswap, right? 3.6 billion market cap for all the ERC tokens that are being sold and traded on the decentralized exchange. Well, if that happens, right, this is a 3.6 billion market cap. Ordiswap is only at 22 million market cap, and if you 25x that, we're only roughly about $550 million of market cap for Ordiswap. And if you don't think that Ordiswap is going to be explosive, right, if all these BRC20 tokens are being traded on this platform, and BRC20 tokens continue to explode and get more exposure, more DeFi starts coming into Bitcoin, I'm going to make some bets on some individual BRC20 tokens, but I'm definitely going to be betting on the swap, on the DEX that they're going to be trading on, just how Uniswap is the trading platform for all the decentralized Ethereum tokens. I'm going to be doing the same bet here for Ordiswap. So that's where I believe the 25x is coming. So if you guys haven't smashed those likes, if you guys haven't hit that subscribe just yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Let me know down in the comments. Do you know what Ordiswap is? Do you know what BRC20 tokens are? If you need me to cover more in detail anything about stamps, BRC20 tokens, or whatever, let me know in the comments. Smash those likes, hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know. Until next time, see ya.